Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to adjust the color, the saturation, even the color gradient of image and also video in Capcut. So let's start. First of all, you need to have a sample example of image or video. Here is my example of image. You can just drag it onto your timeline workspace, and after that you can just go to adjustment. Basically, you can see you can have auto adjust, but for pro version only. You can adjust for the others, such as most common adjustment is the saturation, brightness, and also contrast. So basically, you can just adjust the saturation, decrease the brightness, and also increase the contrast. So yeah, basically you can just adjust this using Capcut. Doesn't need any image editor or even video editor to have additional for this. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.